me the make and model of your bike, please.
It's a 2021 BMW S1000rr.
How long have you been riding?
I've been riding for 4 years.
Is this your first bike?
No.
Okay, this is bike number what?
3.
Bike number 3.
Bike number 3, yep.
Do you have more than one bike?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, I also have a Kawasaki.
You have a Kawasaki?
Yep.
Tell us what you've done on the bike.
What I've done, well, I bought it used. So
You bought it used, okay.
I did buy it used, so it had some of the stuff on there. The exhaust was already on it.
Is the exhaust, okay?
Yeah, aquapovic exhaust already.
Okay.
The tail tightening was already on it too.
Okay.
So pretty much anything that's carbon fiber and any of the red pinstriping, I did that myself.
Okay.
And then the levers, I did that myself too.
Cool. Yeah, the bike looks beautiful. You've kept it in really good shape.
Yep.
Tell us how it rides, how it suits you, your height. Did you do anything to the bike? Adjustment-wise?
No, it's stock.
It's stock,
Yep,
okay.
It's stock, yeah. Because like I said, I'm on my tippy toes.
You are
And
tippy toes.
yeah,
That's what I mean.
It's tall. It's a little tall for me, but like the way it rides, like it rides.
Are you
perfectly.
planning on lowering the bike to make it to get you flat foot, but you're comfortable? That's what I wanted to know.
Yes. Yep.
Okay,
Yes.
It doesn't matter, even though you're not on tippy toes, you're comfortable riding it.
Yes.
At the stop sign and everything, you're comfortable.
Exactly.
Okay.
Like the way it performs, I don't want to lower it.
Okay, tell us about the bike, like the functionality. What features do you like? Do you have ABS, things of that nature?
It's good. Yeah, it's got cruise control. Is a good feature. Cruise control and heated grips.
Cruise control heated.
Yeah.
Is that the feature that you use a lot? Heated grips.
Yeah.
So that means you ride probably
When it's,
throughout the
when
year.
It's colder. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, I try to.
What is your riding style?
What do you mean?
Meaning, is it back roads, highway?
Yeah, I do like back roads.
Okay.
Highways sometimes.
Okay.
I like to ride on the track. I haven't taken this particular bike to the track, but I like to ride on the track.
You do. Which bike do you take on the track?
The 636, the
Oh,
Kawasaki.
you-
Yep, I was the X6R.
Which track do you go to?
Summit Point, West Virginia.
Summit Point? Oh, okay.
Yep, Summit Point, West Virginia.
She goes there too.
Oh, does she?
Yes. She just fell the other day and she's got bruises from her track.
From the track?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Yeah. She does track also, you know.
Okay, yep.
So what's your plan with the bike? Are you planning on keeping it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do. Eventually I want to get a Brentune for it. I want to get it tuned.
Oh, you wanted to get it tuned?
Yeah,
Okay.
I do want to get a Brentune. That's
Okay.
probably one of the next things
But
I'm going to do.
you're not planning on replacing it with something else. What I mean is,
No.
did you have anything else in mind?
Nah, like I said, it's such a good bike, like I want to keep it.
Yeah, and it's the S1000. You
Yeah,
can't go
yeah.
wrong. And I don't know if there is anything better than it.
Right, yeah, it's a very
for,
good
for
deal.
the
Like I said,
value.
I'm very happy. Yeah,
You're very
like
happy?
Like you said, with the price, it had everything.
Price and
Everything,
everything.
yeah.
I see you got a quad lock for you there.
Yep, a quad lock mount.
Okay.
Start
Let's see. And the screen is so big, you know.
It has a nice screen.
It has a nice screen.
Yes, I love it. There you go. Almost 5,200 miles on it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, the screen is beautiful. The way they've done the display,
Yes,
it's really good.
And like say the riding modes are good. Like
Riding modes are good. Tell us about the reliability. How's it been? Do you do any of the work yourself, like oil changes?
I can do oil changes, like basic stuff.
Okay.
And like I said, it's been great so far as reliability.
Yeah, because I've seen some on YouTubers, like the M series, they've had problems with oil leaks or fork leaks and things.
I haven't had any of that so far.
No issues, no at all.
Not so far. Yeah,
And you've been like keeping up with the tunes and things of that nature.
Yeah,
Did you buy this locally or somewhere else?
I
Okay.
did, yep.
At a
Like I said,
dealership or?
Yeah, it was a small used bike dealership I bought.
Used bike dealership?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if it's called MG Motorsports. I don't know if you've heard of it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I
MG's
bought, yeah.
Motorsport?
MG
Okay.
Motorsports, yeah.
And your choice of helmet looks very nice. Arai is always the top of the line.
Yep, I love the Arai too.
You know? Is it?
Yes, it's a very
Did you
good
pick the Arai because of the fit?
Yes.
Did you try some other
Yep,
ones?
I tried this on because I had a Scorpion was one of my other helmets.
Okay.
And I went to the shop and I tried that on.
It was a better fit for you?
It felt so, and it's very light.
Right.
Like I don't feel like it's like a bobblehead. Like I don't feel like that.
Good.
It's very light, and like you say, like the way it fits.
It fits, right?
It's a nice helmet.
Yeah, that's my favorite too.
You like a ride too?
Oh,
Okay, yeah,
they just fit. I tried the other helmets, but the Arai fit was the best based on my face also.
Yeah, me too.
So that's what I always tell people, to try the helmet. Don't go by the brand.
Right.
Just try to see,
Yeah,
you know.
like I said, I did try it on, and the way it fit, I'm just like, it didn't fit very. I was like, this is great. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear another brand of helmet. It's very
No,
good.
you've already found it, so
Yep, yes.
you don't need to look, you know.
Right, yep, yeah, it's good enough for me.
You know.
If it's not broken, I'm not gonna fix it. know.
Yeah. No, I mean I can't say anything. This bike is beautiful,
Yeah,
and the
thank you. Yeah,
S1000
thank you.
is a classic.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
And you've really done a good
It's a
job
lovely-
with the
thank you.
styling,
Yes, thank
with
you.
the fiber and all that. When did you get these the fiber from? Where did you
I think
did
it
you
was-
order them online?
Yeah, it was from an Asian country. I think it was from it was one of the Asian companies.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it came from overseas.
Oh, you came overseas. Did you install it yourself?
I did.
You did? Okay. No problem. How was the
No, it
filming?
fit very well.
It fit very well.
Yep,
Did they send you all the screws and all the things off that?
No, I had to take the bolts that were already on there and use.
Oh,
them.
you used the
Yeah,
bolts. Okay.
yeah,
So
stuff
they
from
just
the
sent you the
factory.
fairing kit,
Yep,
but
yep.
no bolts and things of that nature.
And like I said, since it's so much carbon, I had to do all separate orders. So
Yes.
I got ordered some, and then I would wait a little bit, and I would order more.
Are you done with the bike? Are you planning on? Is there
Like I said,
something
a
you need to
tune-
do
a tune-
besides the BT tuning, right?
Yeah, and then what else? There was one other thing I wanted to do. I can't think of it off the top of my head.
Okay.
Oh, maybe eventually change the headers.
Oh, okay.
The headers are stock.
The headers are stock.
Yeah. So.
You gonna change the headers? Why? To get? You want to shut that off?
Yeah.
For performance,
If you're done- yes.
basically.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're lacking performance? You think?
I mean.
I mean, you want to push the bike
was-
even harder?
Yeah, yes.
That's
more-
what I mean.
That's,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
that's more of that. Yeah.
Okay.
Like I say, there's
You want to
it's
see
not-
what it can do?
It has plenty of performance, but yeah, you would like to see everything can always be improved a little bit.
Improved
right?
a little.
Yeah.
So that would be the only reason you want to change the headers, right? Okay. That's what I thought.
And like I
Okay.
said, I'm not in a huge rush.
No.
So,
And you said you're not going to take this to the track, right? You already have a track bike.
yeah, I do. Yeah.
You know?
I'm curious. I would like to see how it performs on track.
But you also want to be careful.
Yes,
Since
exactly.
you have invested so
Yes,
much
Exactly.
in the bike that, you know,
Yep, exactly.
that's one of probably the
yep,
main reason,
yep,
right?
That's exactly it. Yep.
You know?
Uh-huh.
Cool. All right. It's really nice meeting you.
Yeah, it was nice
you
to
know?
meet you too.
Okay, cool.